What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You know, my last video did pretty good. I got 3 more subscribers, and I thank all of my subscribers. I thank all of my viewers who are watching this. Thank y'all for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. You know, that means a lot to me. Hopefully we get more, but I am grateful for the ones that we do have. Right now I'm headed over to Tyler's house. We're gonna go put the new, we're gonna go do work on the Dreamcicle and it is Dreamcicle. I've been putting Creamsicle, but it is actually Dreamcicle. We're gonna go put some work in on that. Trying to get it swapped over, try to get him ready for testing here soon and get everything ready. What's going on, man? Nothing much. Getting it all ready for swapping over.
Yeah, put the door panel in now.
Oh yeah. You do have to. Oh, okay. You trying to make a street?
No.
Shit, the other door panel ain't in that one, is it?
I ain't changed that window over yet.
Huh?
I ain't changed that window over yet.
I'm talking about over there.
No.
You never just put them back in on that side, on that one, huh?
No, Kiki wants door panels in.
She wants door panels in.
Yeah.
She's trying to add some grams to it, ain't she?
Yeah,
some ounces.
Off too, 'cause this just pissed me off.
So yeah, see you done. Yeah, you showed me the pictures yesterday. You done cut the front end off of it. When are you taking this over to your brother's?
That's when I can get the whole motor and transmission and rim and everything swapped over, and then he'll go over the last of the wheels.
Okay. Is it Oh, okay. Never mind. I was about to ask a stupid question. We're good. So what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna change that window. Finish cutting this wiring out, and might pull the A-arms off of those. Off of that one.
I got you. Alrighty.
And just want somebody to run with.
Are you recording?
Yes, but I'm not. Shit. What you need me to do?
Just hold the glass.
So is this the part you were having trouble getting it out of that little hole?
No. Getting a new one in.
Oh, shit.
Off. A pound of weight.
You said what now?
All for like a pound and a half of weight.
All for a pound and all this work for a pound and a half of weight. There you go. But then you'll have nice roll-up. I like roll-up windows better than electric windows anyway. Because when they go out, what good are they doing? Huh?
Pick it up just a little bit. Alright, let it in. Alright. Somewhere to
Get my fucking eyeballs fixed.
$5 million, I'll get whatever you want
Get me
fixed.
liposuction.
$5 million, you can have whatever
What's
you
wrong
want
with your
fixed.
eyeballs?
That's the deal. I'm tired of being blind.
Oh,
Alright.
okay.
Now find me an old bitch fuck.
I saw that same meme that says, say you need diesel fuel.
Hold on.
I'm trying to keep you out of the recording.
I'm somewhat decent, so
So you don't care now?
no.
Okay.
One blanket, 4-eyed Fanny.
Mother said, yeah, I saw it. It said she was standing there hanging on to the thing. She's like, so you say you need diesel fuel? I'm like, not that bad. I got gasoline motors if I need something
Huh?
that's cheaper. He said $5 million. So you need race car parts?
I just need to pay somebody to finish the damn thing. Well, I ain't gotta do all the work.
But it is, that's, oh, hold up. Oh, shit. Oh, that's them green doors.
Yeah.
So now I got to convert that one into that one. All for, you said, 1.5 pounds of weight?
Something like that. It ain't much.
You know what you should do? Not put the regulators in, make it look like a dummy, and then stick a stick up in there to hold the glass up. And then you would shave off whatever extra weight that is until the stick comes down and your glass just smacks down into the door. So I did my Lincoln Town Car. Man, I need to get these good conversations on record. Shit. I keep like trying to get it ready and then y'all say the great stuff. It's like, fuck! Missed it. Man. Try to keep my fingers out of the lens. It's like I find myself having a hard time with it. Dude, I picked up 3 subscribers last night.
Hell yeah.
3 of them. I was like, damn. Look, I've been sitting at 127 for the last 3 videos, and all of a sudden I pick up 3 subscribers in one night. I was like, damn, what the heck? I was like, that's okay. I mean, you know, I want more, but I'll take what I can get for it. That's what it's all about, taking what we can get for it.
Yeah.
And I am like all over the other place.
Let go. Let it just sit flat for a minute.
Alright. Yeah, you gotta slide it through that slot.
Yeah, I gotta find out. There it is. Hang on, which one's which?
That one was when you, I think this one was the one that you slid. The top one was the one that you slid through that thing, through the window part. I think the other rests on the bottom of the window, right?
Yeah, that's for the lower track.
Mm-hmm. Did it go in? Need to bend it backwards. You know, back in 1997, people paid for power windows for luxury, and you just took it all out for them.
Yeah.
Somebody gonna look at this thing and say, 30th anniversary roll-up windows. Because I don't know if they made them with roll-up windows.
I'm not sure.
It would be something to do your research in. I tell you what though, if it didn't, you probably got a one of one.
Yeah.
But I mean, they gave you the option. They still stuck the little hole in there.
Yeah, that's all how they come factory.
Yeah, prefabbed. Yeah.
Usually the worst one to come on.
Swapping over to turbos, yay! Or turbo. So, if you go with a twin turbo setup, would you go back with another 85 millimeter?
No, you're running too small.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring. Sound like a dinner bell.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Dad?
Taking the car apart.
That bitch is fucking huge, man. Damn turbo is ridiculous. Oh shit. Perfect. Just
Harry Darnell.
huh?
Harry Darnell got that fitment right.
Oh, he helped you with fitment?
He I was blowing the damn couplers off of it.
Uh-huh.
And one of them smacked the windshield when it blew off doing test it out here. And I took it to Harry and he put V-bands on both ends of it.
Oh shit. And then you just gotta take these
Those V-bands, all these air hoses, dome pressure sensor, those two bolts hold the turbo. So that's the only thing I gotta do when I do a tubular front ends. I gotta make a bar that runs up to support that.
I got you.
Which I don't think it's gonna be too bad, because where it's at, I should almost be able to come up at a damn almost straight up to hold it.
Hell yeah. Making it street legal, putting your door panels in.
Yeah.
Street, what, ish, right?
Street appearance.
Street appearance. Shoot, you should have told her. You should have told Kiki. You should have told her. You said, you put the door panels back in that one for her.
Yeah. I'll do it a little cold.
And she wants door panels so bad. So I can put them in that car.
Just be aware of knocking this out.
You said what now?
Alright. Never mind. You good.
Oh, you said get the hell out of the way while I knock this out.
I didn't know what it was on there.
I said, get out of the way while I knock this. Bow! Like, I didn't even have time to comprehend what you said.
What the fuck?
What is it?
I put goddamn bolts in that backwards. So I gotta take the whole plate off. And the coil of it.
Damn. Oh, there it is. Oh, well, that was easy. Let's say you made this shit look easy. There we go. Yeah, I got it. There it went. Yeah, so that's what happens when he took. What happened when he took it to the moon? He sent that bitch. That shit. Bend it all to hell. That's the worst one, right?
I think so, yeah, that one ain't
that one
really
ain't
bad.
Yeah, say you're gonna rebend it. Take it to work, rebend it, and then
And plate it and reinforce it, and hopefully it works. If not, just spend more money.
it's the hobbies, man. You might be alright. You gonna be alright.
See, this is the passenger side. That side come down harder. That's why I was bent more.
So next thing he's gonna do is try to slide this whole K member with the engine and transmission, right? And just move it over to here. All in one go.
Hopefully.
And then from there it's wiring, right?
You gotta pull the motor and transmission out, put in that one, rear end, put in that one. Take down the rollers, weld the tubular front end, the cage, the A-pillar bars, then do wiring on everything. Fix the 90 on the turbo kit. I think that's about it.
Yeah, because it got pushed stuff in there. When he come down on it, you didn't mess up your
No, I didn't mess with it. Yeah, it broke a fitting off. I got that fixed.
Okay. Hell yeah. Well, I think that's it for today.
That's gonna do me for today. Go ahead and eat and get ready to go to work.
Hell yeah. Lighting's better. The lighting's better this way. It's dark as hell when I turned it.
Yeah.
Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe, like. We got, like I said, we got 3 subscribers yesterday. I mean, that's not a lot, but in one day, that's the most I've ever gotten in one day. So I'm happy about that because we had one. I was stuck on 127 for about 3 videos. I was like, this is not progressing. And then all of a sudden I got 3. So I mean, like I said, it doesn't matter if you do subscribe or if you don't subscribe. We want you. We prefer you to, but you know, we just enjoy y'all taking y'all's time looking at these videos. And thanks for watching. Hit the like button and see you next time.